Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickUp for e-commerce customer support tickets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Log in to your ClickUp account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the workspace you want to configure for e-commerce customer support tickets. Enter the workspace by clicking on its name. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Integrations option. Scroll down until you see the e-commerce platform you want to authorize. Click on the e-commerce platform's integration link. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce account to ClickUp. You may be redirected to your e-commerce platform for authentication. Log in to your e-commerce account if prompted. Once authenticated, grant ClickUp the necessary permissions. Keep an eye on any additional settings that may need to be configured. Return to ClickUp to verify that the integration is active. Check for a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Navigate to the Tasks section in ClickUp. Create a new task for customer support tickets by clicking on the plus New Task button. Fill in the task details, including the ticket information. Assign the task to the appropriate team member or department. Set the priority and due date as needed. Ensure that you create a custom field for tracking ticket statuses. Adjust notification settings to keep your team updated on any changes. Test the integration by creating a test ticket in your e-commerce system. Verify that the test ticket appears in ClickUp as expected. Monitor the flow of customer support tickets to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Adjust any settings based on your team's workflow and needs. Encourage your team to provide feedback on the integration process. Make any necessary tweaks to improve efficiency and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.